On April 23, 2026, Chou reportedly paid around 50 million Australian dollars for a century-old mansion at 6 St. George's Road, Toorak. Then he announced he's tearing it down. Looks reckless. He wasn't buying a house, he was buying a permit, a legal permit to demolish on Melbourne's most constrained premium boulevard. Two hidden premiums. First, no heritage overlay. Most century-old villas on Toorak St. George's Road carry historic preservation tags. You can't demolish. A neighbor's demolition application was just rejected. But 6 St. George is explicitly listed. No heritage overlay, no easements, no restrictive covenants. That single clause is worth millions. Second, two street frontages, St. George's Road in front, St. Catherine's Lane at the rear. Meaning this 3,509 square meter block can be subdivided into two lots, buyer pool quadruples. Now the pure land math, 50 million divided by 3,509 square meters is about 14,300 odds per square meter. Not a random number. Paul Little's Chou estate sold last year for 150 million, around 15,000 per square meter. Crypto billionaire Ed Craven's 80 million Toorak ghost mansion closed at 14,500. 3 independent transactions, all inside 14,000 to 15,000 per square meter. Chou paid no premium, got no discount. He paid the disciplined price. Why tear it down? 1920s floor plans were built for butlers, servants, formal entertaining, not modern family life. 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. Today's wealthy want one massive primary suite, not 7 medium rooms. Spend 30 million restoring a century villa. The next buyer won't pay extra for your marble fireplace. They're only paying for the land. Tear down and rebuild new. Buyer pool grows 10 times larger. Key distinction. Toorak isn't a hot market. It's a premium long-term residential zone. Completely different dynamics. Hot markets track economic cycles, rise fast, fall fast. Premium long-term zones have fixed supply, multi-generational buyers, pricing decoupled from cycles. Toorak has been Melbourne's wealthiest suburb since the 1880s, 140 years without a downgrade. Core streets see annual turnover below 1%. Only 3 to 5 lots above 40 million reach market per year. Global ultra-high net worth wealth is circling. That's why it stayed 50 years off market. But land isn't free to hold. On 50 million, Victorian stamp duty about 2.75 million one time. Annual land tax plus foreign surcharge 200,000 per year. Maintenance, insurance, security 300,000 per year. Opportunity cost at 5%, 2.5 million per year. 5-year total holding cost, about 15 million. Chou has royalties, concerts, licensing. He can carry it. A leveraged retail investor? 5 years eats a third of the principal. Land appreciates, but only if you survive long enough. 4 takeaways. 1. Get the hierarchy right. Premium long-term zones and hot markets are different logic. 2. Spot planning optionality. 2 frontages, no overlay, subdivision potential are worth millions. 3. Do the buyer pool math. More customized, worse liquidity. 4. Holding power decides outcomes. Want your own property analyzed land first? Go to landfirst.ai, $29.99 US, delivered in 24 hours. Stop buying on renovation photos. Do it like Chou, land first.